This country skipped an entire day just to live in the future. And if that sounds like a total lie, then check out this video from the channel. Now you might be wondering what I mean by this and how it is even possible for an entire country to live in the future. Well, let me explain. It is home to around 100,000 people, and its capital city is Victoria on the island of The International Date Line is an imaginary line that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole, and it is located pretty much on the 180th meridian. The date line basically says that any place that is west of it is one day behind, or, to put it another way, one day ahead of any place that is east of it. For example, if it's Friday in Kiribati, then it would be Thursday in Australia, and it would also be Thursday in the USA now. Despite being such a small country, it has its own unique flag, which was adopted in 1979 when the country gained independence from the Dutch. Welcome to my channel. This is Kiribati, a country that lives in the future. So Kiribati is made up of 32 beautiful coral atolls and reef islands in the Indian Ocean. But what really makes Kiribati special is its location on the International Date Line. In fact, it actually changed its time zone in 1995 to be ahead of the rest of the world. Before 1995, it was ahead by one day. But in 1995, they moved the clocks by 12 hours so that they're now ahead by 13 hours. So if it's 12:01 a.m. on January 1st in Kiribati, then it's still December 31st, 12 p.m. in London. Well, it's all because of the International Standard Time, which is based on Greenwich Mean Time. They divide the world into 24 different time zones, and each zone is 1 hour apart. But they're only 360 degrees in a circle, so you end up with some places having half an hour time differences. So, to make things easier, they use the International Date Line to reset the calendar, so to speak. So when you cross the date line going east, you subtract the day. So if you fly from Kiribati to Hawaii, for example, it will be 1 day less than. But if you were to fly from Hawaii to Kiribati, it would be 1 day more. Now you might be thinking, why do they have this date line thing? Why can't everyone just be on the same day? Anyway, because Kiribati is located on the date line. It's the first country to see the new year. But with climate change causing sea levels to rise, Kiribati could lose its beautiful islands and its people may have to abandon their homes and become climate refugees. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, hit the like button and subscribe. If you haven't already, see you next time.